Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown of Moultrie, Georgia with some cash commodity commentary for Tuesday. It's about 4:15 Eastern time. For the cotton market, we had a little turnaround today. Turnaround Tuesday. It's been hammered pretty good for the last week and into Monday. But today we reversed that somewhat and we rallied and we actually saw the bull spreads work nicely, about 100 points. December cotton closed back above 8,700, so that's pretty good as well. Of course, the market is probably preparing itself for as all the markets are, preparing itself for the acres intentions that come out on Thursday. And we tell you right now, those come out at 12 o'clock Eastern time, high noon, along with the quarterly grain stocks in all positions. That is to say how much corn, beans, and wheat we think we have. As far as cotton's concerned, they were talking about in January like 9 million acres, the lowest amount in 30 years, but now they're jumped it up some for obvious reasons, more along the lines of 10.5 million, 10.3 million, and so we'll just have to see. That's still below what we've done in the past, of course, but you could see more cotton plantings by default as too wet to plant corn right now, too cold. So you could see more cotton plantings, and who's to say that the weather breaks even after Easter? So we'll see how that is. Over in the grains today, they were mixed. Corn was down, wheat was up. The wheat starting to get in a little trouble out there. They're talking about the 60% of the Texas wheat crop is rated poor, very poor. About 48% of the Nebraska wheat crop, poor, very poor. So wheat closed slightly higher today in the July market, and it looks like it wants to trade up a little bit more. The beans also rallied today. There was trouble or shipping trouble out of Brazil, and so beans themselves actually rallied. For the beans, they're looking for 78.5 million acres. Last year we planted 77.2, so they're looking for over a million acre increase. Over in the corn, the average guess is like 97 million. 0.3 last year was 97.2, so almost unchanged from a year ago. Of course, there was talk of a 99 million acre. But of course, you got to allow for abandonment and all the troubles that go along with that. Over in the wheat, all wheat, that's durum and spring wheat, they're looking for 56.4 million acres on the intentions. Last year, they seeded about 55.5. So sort of unchanged corn, higher beans, and a little higher wheat. And we'll just have to see how that does come out. As far as the stocks positions report, we'll get some guesses on those for you tomorrow, but they're looking, for tightness in beans and corn, and we'll see if that's the deal or not. Fuel was up today. We're about to switch out of the April into the June, so that's really the reason for that. Stock market a little higher. Let's see what tomorrow brings.